Hey, what's going on YouTube? So as some of you know, this scooter came with some rear turning signals and they have broken off. It's another design flaw and another in the mounting things for the Blade GT that I have to repair or replace. I have gone ahead and ordered some replacement 12 watt 12 volt turn signals. I'll show you guys. I'll hook those up to a power pack and give you guys a kind of a breakdown on that. I want to give a special shout out to Eric and his team over at Rideology. They have stepped up where Teverun has yet to step up. They have confirmed that they do carry this controller. So I just ordered it, got a nice little discount on it, and they've extended a discount code for my channel, just L50, on Blade GT plus purchases. Go ahead, check them out, support them. They have really stepped up and looked out for me in a situation where I was looking at the rest of my riding season being completely gone. So again, Eric, Team Rideology, thank you so much. Blade Teverun GT, and I picked these up off Amazon. These are 12 volts from a company called Uniroyal. These cost me just under 20 bucks. And yeah, let's go ahead and unpack these, and I'll even power them up so you guys can see what they look like. And we're back. And these are the turn signals that I ordered off Amazon to replace the broken down Teverun Blade GT turn signals. I got these off Amazon. These are 12 volts. They're compatible with the JST connectors. These are 3 cable connections. I'll show you inside the PC box where inside the PCB box where this goes. Here it is. I've attached this to a 12 volt power pack so you guys can see the brightness on this. It's not giving us brake functionality or daytime running lights yet because I still have to connect the smart data to the controller. This is the blue cable, and I'll be showing you guys where those go. You can wire these to the pre-existing cabling there. That way you don't have to run the cables all the way through the scooter. I would suggest you disconnect the JST connector from the scooter first before messing with this. Double check your connections and maybe use a 12 volt external battery source to test the wiring first before you mount these to your PCB board, because you don't want to run the risk of a short or it drawing too many amps. So be very careful with that. Make sure that your PCB box can actually handle this. For Blade GT owners, make sure that your controller actually does include the software for this. Every model of the Blade GT technically has the mounts for this already set up. You just slide the cable through the side hook there and put this nut through the other side and just tighten it, and it faces out into the world. I don't know if the firmware on all of the controllers are compatible with this, but my controller was compatible, as I do have the turn signals on my handlebars already there. So it's just a matter of replacing the existing connections with this connection and waiting for my controller to arrive so I can show you guys how it fully works. So for anyone curious, inside of the PCB box, the first 2 JST male connections are left and right turn signal. You'll find that on the inside plating of the PCB box. It'll tell you which one is for horn, which one is for the display, and all of that. So it would be these first 2, and this is what it looks like. And I'm not trying to take any more shots at this company, but that's one of the JST connectors. And where is the second one? I know the second one is not a good look for them because the blue wire was already falling out of that. Actually, here it is in this nest of wires for you guys to see. Look how easily that popped up. So this is, sometimes the components on the scooter are not broken. It's just really lazy wiring, I guess in quality control. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, I gotta wait to replace this controller before I can test the turn signals. I'll show you on my handlebars real quick. That's the turn signal right there. as you can see, left to right. So all we got to do is just tie the corresponding cables to that, and once we have power, I'll show you guys how they work. So watch out for part 2 of this.